Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm your tech advisor, and today we've got something truly groundbreaking to talk about. It's the latest innovation from Samsung, the Samsung Galaxy Ring 2024. The Galaxy Ring is Samsung's newest venture into the wearable tech market, and it's not just any smart ring, it's packed with some amazing features that could revolutionize the way we think about wearable technology. From fitness tracking to health monitoring, this tiny device offers a lot more than meets the eye. But before we dive into the details, let's take a quick look at what makes this ring so special. First up, let's talk about the design. The Galaxy Ring is lightweight and comfortable, designed for all-day wear. But don't let its sleek appearance fool you, it's packed with powerful sensors. It includes advanced biometric sensors for heart rate monitoring, SpO2 tracking, and even ECG functionality. The ring can track your sleep patterns with impressive accuracy, helping you understand and improve your sleep quality. For fitness enthusiasts, the Galaxy Ring offers activity tracking, including steps, calories burned, and various workout modes. The Galaxy Ring seamlessly connects with your Samsung devices through the Galaxy Wearable app. You can get real-time health insights, notifications, and even control some of your smart home devices right from your... One of the best parts about the Galaxy Ring is its impressive battery life. It can last up to 7 days on a single charge, so you don't have to worry about frequent charging. And it's not just about battery life. This ring is built to withstand everyday wear and tear. It's water resistant, so you can keep it on during workouts, showers, and even a swim. So how much does this cutting-edge piece of tech cost? The Galaxy Ring is priced at $400 and it's available starting 10th July 2024. You can find it at Samsung stores and online retailers. The Samsung Galaxy Ring 2024 is an exciting addition to the world of wearable tech. Whether you're into fitness, health monitoring, or just love having the latest gadgets, this ring has something for everyone. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let me know in the comments what you think about the Galaxy Ring, and if you're planning to get one. See you in the next video.